Welcome to Rafael Math Room. Today we'll solve this biggest faithful math Olympiad question, which was 1 plus p is equal p. Then what's the value of p? We'll try to solve it more easy way. Here we can easily write 1 plus p is equal p. So take a look, we can write this left side 1 is equal p minus p. We just take the number p in right side, which was minus. So here we'll get 1 is equal to p minus p equal 0. So mathematical terms this cannot possible. So here is no real solution from the mathematical rule. So what's the real solution? Now take a look. Here we will discuss about this topic. Now if we write a is equal b, just like exponential, then we'll say a is square equal to b square 1 plus p, right? And so here we can write as b we can write a as p. So now from the exponential rule we can write 1 plus p is perfectly equal to p, right? Here is nothing wrong because we are following the exponential formula rules in mathematics. So attentionally look here. Now we can write 1 bracket 1 plus p bracket whole square is equal to p whole square. Like we write 1 plus p square is equal b plus square is same to same, right? So additionally you can see here so here we'll use exponential formula a plus b whole square. You know it is a square plus b square plus 2ab. This formula will help us to solve this equation as easy as. So here we can write 1 plus p square as 1 plus p times 1 plus p, right? We easily follow exponential math rules and is equal to p square, right? Here nothing's wrong. So we can write 1 times 1 is equal 1 plus 1 times p is equal p plus p times 1 will be p plus p times p will be p square, and this left side p will be minus p square is equal to 0. So here this p square and p square will be cancelled out. Then we can write here 1 plus 2p is equal to 0. So here we can easily write 2p is equal to minus 1. So from here we can write p is equal minus half. This is the value of p we get in here, but it is not finished at all. We have to test this value by replacing the equation. So here now we can write, and the equation was 1 plus p is equal to p. So we just replaced here the value of p, which was 1 plus minus 1 by 2. It is the value of p is equal to minus half. So we can write here left side half is equal to minus half. Attentionally take here look here, it is not can be possible because minus is not can equal to plus, so this is reject value. So now what's the right answer? Kindly look here, you can write, but if we follow the mathematical rule of here modulus 1 plus p, modulus equal to modulus p, then it will be modulus 1 minus half, modulus equal to modulus minus half. When it goes to modulus inside, then it will be everything plus positive value. So here half is equal to half. So here from here we can easily write half is equal to half. So it is correct value. It is abide by the mathematical formula and rules. So it is the real value when we can